Hey everyone, welcome back to the Modern Workers channel. Today, I want to share my journey from being unproductive to mastering effective goal setting. Whether you're a freelancer, a 9-to-5 employee, or a small business owner, setting clear and actionable goals can make all the difference. I used to struggle with unproductivity when I transitioned from my 9-to-5 job to freelancing. It was a challenging time, but I discovered some amazing strategies that helped me set and achieve my goals. Let's dive into my top tips for effective goal setting. First things first, let's talk about the importance of setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When I first started freelancing, my goals were vague and unrealistic, which led to frustration and burnout. Now, I make sure each goal I set is clear and attainable. For example, instead of saying, I want to get more clients, I set a goal like, I want to acquire 3 new clients in the next 2 months. This way, I have a clear target to aim for. Next, break down your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This was a game changer for me. Large goals can be overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller steps makes them more achievable. For instance, if your goal is to launch a new website, break it down into tasks like research web design platforms, create a content plan, and design the homepage. Each small task brings you closer to your big goal. Another crucial tip is to set deadlines. Without deadlines, it's easy to procrastinate. I used to tell myself I had all the time in the world to complete a project, only to find myself rushing at the last minute. Now, I set realistic deadlines for each task and stick to them. This keeps me accountable and ensures steady progress. It's also important to regularly review and adjust your goals. Life happens, and sometimes our priorities change. I set aside time each week to review my goals and see if any adjustments are needed. This helps me stay flexible and focused on what's truly important. Lastly, visualize your success. I created a vision board with images and quotes that represent my goals and dreams. It serves as a daily reminder of what I'm working towards and keeps me inspired. Whether it's a vision board, a journal, or a digital collage, find a way to visualize your goals and keep them front and center. I've also included links in the description box for some of the best applications, products, and software that can help you set and achieve your goals. Be sure to check them out to find the tools that work best for you. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to the Modern Workers channel for more content on thriving in the modern workplace. And I'd love to hear from you. What are your tips for effective goal setting? Share your experiences in the comments below,